How to make $100 a day on Craigslist. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day on Craigslist with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm over here at Clickbank. It's one of the largest affiliate networks. It's been around for 20 years, has thousands of products. If you haven't got an account, it's free to sign up. You can sign up from most countries in the world. There are a few countries where you can't. So if you just go over here to sign up, it'll take you through to the sign up page, put in a few details, and you'll have an account. Now, if you're in one of the countries where you can't sign up, just go to a website called Digistore24. I'll put the link below. And a lot more, most countries you can sign up for an account in Digistore24. And they have pretty similar products, mostly digital products. Same with Clickbank, mostly digital products, but they do now have some supplements. So here's where the sign up page is, straightforward. I'm not going to go into that. You can do that in your own time. So let's go back to the marketplace. But before I do, if you're new to the channel, I post videos like this regularly on making money as an affiliate marketer and how to make money online. And consider hitting that red subscribe button below and hit the blue bell icon. And why would you do that? Well, you'll get notified every time I post a video. It helps me, helps the algorithm, and helps more people get to see my videos. So just hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon, and you'll get notified of future videos. And if you're coming back here, you're a regular visitor, welcome. Great to have you back again too as well. So look, there are thousands of products, over 3,500 products here on Clickbank. And as you can see down the left-hand side, many categories of products to choose from. I recommend 3 categories: health, wealth, and relationships, things that fall under those 3 categories. And make sure it's evergreen, an evergreen product, which is something that sells all year round. You don't want a product that is seasonal, which might sell for for a month and then nothing for the rest of the year. You want regular income. So today I've already chosen a product, but you can go through for this method and choose whatever product. And we're going to go here to e-business and e-marketing. Now, I've chosen this product today, but before we go on, you'll want to watch this video instructional tutorial till the end, because there's another step you can do that I don't show today that will make all the difference. It'll increase your conversions and you'll get to start to build a database of email addresses. It's a landing page software that got released last year. Now this software sells normally for from $97 up to $350 per month. If you wait till the end, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this for free with no credit card. So you won't want to miss this. So I'm over here now on Craigslist. Now, I'm in Australia, and this website works best in America. And what you'll need to do, I've chosen New York, and New York, you can choose whichever state or city you want. Obviously look for the ones that have got the biggest populations. And what we're going to do is go down here to where it says CVs. We're going to click on this, because what we're going to look for is people that are posting resumes or CVs or looking for work. Now, if you have a look down here, there's one called Digital Marketing Specialist looking for part-time work. All right, so the offer we've got today is for people that can make money as an affiliate. There's so many people looking to work from home remotely, to replace a job, to earn a side income, or just to earn money because of the circumstances in the last 12 months. All right, so we're back over here to Clickbank. Now, all you need to do to be able to promote this, it pays you, as you can see, $640 commission. So if you made one sale a week, just one sale a week, you'd be making $100 a day. Now, there's also, a JV page here where you can get so much information, but you don't need to. Now, for this strategy. So what we want to do, so we click on promote and we get our affiliate link. As you can see, it has many different pages. I would stay with the default. Now, if you're logged in, your account nickname will be there, and it's just a matter of clicking on generate hop link. I wouldn't worry about tracking ID at this stage. All it is you can put something, letters, numbers, unique in there if you're using different traffic methods, and you can see where your sales are coming from or your traffic. And below here, this is your affiliate link. Now, it looks a bit spammy and ugly. What I would do is copy that, go across to a website called Bitly, B-I-T-L-Y. If you don't like Bitly, just do a Google search for URL shortener. And what you do is you go to create, click on link, put that big long affiliate link in, and then it will create a link, something like this, nice and neat, doesn't look spammy. Now you can put that into a notepad or a Word doc like I have here. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to go through these listings here and we're going to click on them, because what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you can reply to these people and send them a link. So let's click on digital marketing specialist looking for part-time work. Another one here is temporary job. Just have an open mind about this. Don't prejudge anyone. Hello, I'm currently working as a digital marketing specialist for an advertising agent. Looking for something on the site. So what we're going to do, because we don't want to post ads. We're not going to be posting ads on Craigslist. What we're going to do is we go here to reply. And you need a Gmail account for this. Well, you don't necessarily need a Gmail account. I like to use Gmail for it. You could use your own email. You just need to click on this I'm a human capture. We've gone through that. Then we go to show email. And you'll see down here, copy and paste into your email. So if you're not using Gmail, you can put in your own email, or you can just click on Gmail, whatever mail service you're using. That's going to open that up for you. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to message these people and offer them an opportunity to be able to make money, because they're already looking. They've got an ad up on Craigslist saying they're looking for a way to earn income. Now, most people are open. So what we're going to do then, Gmail is still loading. So it's finished loading. Now, I would change this to the title, re your Craigslist advertisement. I'll just get rid of this because we're not interested in their job, and they may have it advertised elsewhere, but it doesn't matter. This is going to get it in front of them. Now, I've got some text, and you can either use this, but probably reword it to suit yourself. Now, this is from the Word doc. Hey, and I would, hey, I saw your advertisement on Craigslist, and based on your experience, I think you'd be an awesome fit for this. You can do this work from home. You need a computer, a desktop or laptop is okay. No mobile phones, and a stable connection. Please apply here and watch the training video as soon as possible to get further information on exactly how it's done. And then that's where you put your link that you've got from Clickbank that you've taken to Bitly and Shorten. And then I say something like, if you have any questions after watching the training, feel free to contact me. Good luck. And don't worry about that. That's just a note for me. So we then just copy and paste. Just format it so it looks nice and tidy. And you'll see this here. I click on that and go down here to see the chain link. You want to hyperlink that so that it makes it clickable. because some people can't be bothered copy and pasting. So let's just put that on the next line as well, space between it, and you could bold it if you want to too. It's up to you, but make it clickable by using this link down here, because if some people have got to go and copy and paste, they won't do it, whereas they can just click on that, they'll do it. And then all we do is click on send, and now what you do is you go back and do that with as many of these people as you want to, and you'll get responses quite quick. And just here's another one, looking for any job, gig, professional, MBA, diligent. And you have a look through these, and then you just copy and paste. Again, go to Gmail, click on reply, then you're going to have to do the capture, get the email address, and then send it through your email provider. Copy and paste the text that I've given you, and you'll get people inquiring. Then send them to, answer their questions, because once you get an opportunity to talk to people, and look, most people won't. If they want more information, you can send them more information from the JV page of the product. Look at what their question is, and if you don't know it, go and do a Google search. You'll probably be able to find it and answer their question. And by being helpful, people will appreciate that, and because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. The more you do that and provide them information, because they're asking the question, they don't know how much you know or don't know. So people will buy from people they know, like, and trust. So that's how to make $100 a day on Craigslist with Clickbank and affiliate marketing. Now, I did say if you waited till the end, I'd show you how you get access to some free landing page software. In a moment, if you have a look in the top left-hand corner of the screen, there'll be a thumbnail that comes up that says lifetime access. If you click on that thumbnail, it'll take you to a new video. In the description of the video, there'll be a link to get your copy or to get your copy of the software. And there's no credit card. Just click on that link, click on register. You get free lifetime membership without needing to put a credit card or payment method in there at all. Now, if you got value from the video, consider subscribing with the red subscribe button below. It'll get you notified of all future videos. Helps the algorithm. Other people get to see it as well, and you'll be notified. There's some other training in the description if you're interested, and I show people how, I do these videos regularly, and I've also got some training on how people can actually start an affiliate marketing business and promoting other people's proven products to receive a commission, because that's all affiliate marketing is. So do this with as many of these people that you want to, that are looking for work. You could do it with weight loss. You could do it with any category. Have a look at the categories in Craigslist that you think could have a lot of demand, and then just go to Clickbank. Guaranteed you'll find a product that you can do this with in Clickbank. And if you can't, as I said, can't be registered in Clickbank, go over to Digistore 24. Okay? Again, just hit the subscribe button below. And if you want to get the landing page software, in the link, the thumbnail on the left-hand corner, and I'll see you in the next video.